Good morning, everyone, and don't forget to take profits. A quick and important reminder for every one of you. So make sure you always take a profit. It's one of the most important rules in crypto because the market is very volatile, and if you don't secure your gains, you might lose them in the end. So now, without further ado, let's take a look what happened to Bitcoin yesterday. We saw a nice pump up to $46,947. Congratulations to all the Bitcoin bulls out there. This pump occurred because we had some rumors about the Bitcoin ETF. So I will show you that just in a second. Just stay tuned until the end, and you are not gonna miss out. So we have a message from Gary Gensler. We have some new fee structures from BlackRock, ARK Invest, and different other ETF funds. So make sure to stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss out on this important and critical information. Now let's take a look at the chart and see what's happening with technical analysis. So here we have the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin right now is sitting at 46,859. Quite good. We broke out of this rectangle here. We had big resistance here. We can see we tried to break out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times even, and in the end we managed to break it just after we saw the new fee structure from ARK Invest and BlackRock. So that's why a lot of people are even much more bullish on the Bitcoin ETF, and the approval of it, it's much more likely, since we have even Gary Gensler sending out a message to crypto investors yesterday on Twitter. This message I will also show you. Just make sure to stay tuned until the end. Now we can see what are the next targets. So as we can see, we broke this target that we have been talking about in my previous video of $46,500. Now we are retracing back to it, and let's see if we are going to confirm it and turn it into a support zone. That would be the best bullish scenario in my opinion. So if we confirm this zone here and start jumping up from there with significant volume, then we can expect a nice upside move in the next couple days and weeks. So let's see what will happen the next coming days. Is very important. We have also the ETF approval that should be on the 10th of January. I think this is the ARK Invest ETF. So there is also the decision for the BlackRock ETF, and I think that one needs to be made until the 15th of March. So tomorrow it needs to be made a decision about the ARK Invest ETF. So if you don't know ARK Invest is from Katie Woods, quite a big player in the investment space. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum charts looks a bit different compared to Bitcoin. So if we can see here, Ethereum didn't break out of this rectangle here, and we see it's even dropping a little bit, and we can even expect lower prices here for Ethereum, because now Bitcoin is the main actor. It was already the main actor, but now in this ETF situation is the main actor, and a lot of people are anticipating on the approval of the ETF. So, and also a lot of people are expecting, so many analysts are expected for trillions to flow into the Bitcoin market after the ETF gets approved. So quite bullish news. Now let's go back to Ethereum and see what are the price targets. So the bullish price target would be $2,600. Bearish price target would be 2,150. That has been a very big support zone and also resistance zone before, and then we flipped it to a support zone. So that's the area that I'm looking at. If the ETF doesn't get approved, we can even see prices like 1,900 or 1,600. That's like only a 30% drop. So quite possible. Now the thing with the ETF is it's already quite priced in, quite strong. So if it doesn't get approved, we will see a big dip, unfortunately. So let's see what will happen. A lot of people are even taking chips from the table just in front of the approval and waiting for the decision to not lose any money. Let's see what altcoin market is a little bit reddish today, 2 to 1% loss on most of the cryptos here that I have in my portfolio. Doesn't look so bad now. Let's take a look here. We have the message from Gary Gensler yesterday, and here is the threat from me. So some things to keep in mind if you are considering investing in crypto assets. And you can see this got 25 million views because so many crypto people and influencers were sharing this tweet. That's why also the price went up so much, because people are expecting, since Gary Gensler sent out this kind of warning or message to the people, that the ETF is probably most likely going to get approved tomorrow. So let's see what will happen with that. Then we have here the new fee structure for the ETFs, and that's also confirmed by Reuters, one of the biggest news providers out there. And we can see the ARK ETF got reduced from a 0.8% fee to a 0.25%, so that's quite positive. Then we have the BlackRock ETF fee, which is like a 0.3. Then we have the VanEck, which is also 0.25, just like ARK. Then we have the Wisdom Tree, which is still at 0.5, so maybe they will adjust that also and make it lower. Let's see. I'm quite tuned myself. Let's see, it's a very important day for all the Bitcoin bulls out there. So let's see if we're gonna get a spot Bitcoin ETF or not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.